Everyone got their card? I looked at mine.
Is there no one who can't?
I think the murderer is one of you three.
Velcro came undone. Why do you need a knife, huh? You're the murderer? Yeah, true. Well... Well... Well, you don't have to. You just have to kill the murderer. Well, you have the gun. Me and Noah are both wearing green on St. Patrick's Day. He's not wearing green. He's the murderer.
Don't start this shit.
It's clear logic. Yeah, fucker's not wearing green. Where's the holiday spirit? That's what I want to know. Okay. No, you just have to drop the gun if you're wrong. Well, fuck you guys, I'm gonna pretend to be a horse. Nay, nay. All right. Shoot Noah! Yeah, I'm pretty sure Noah's the murderer. That he has to kill everyone. Yeah. Hey, this is my St. Patrick's Day hat. Thank you very much. All right. Well, he doesn't have any green, so.
I don't trust you.
I think I really don't trust you.
Where's the holiday spirit? Yeah. I'm a bystander. I don't know if I trust you though. Hey. I think it's Noah again. All right, whoever's the murderer, raise their hand. Shoot him. He's the murderer. He's the murderer. He raised a hand and he doesn't want you to use the gun. Noah, get in this trailer. I'm gonna pull you around. It'll be fun. Get in the trailer. Free trailer rides over here. He yelled at me. You should shoot him. Miss. Get away from my trailer. Who wants to ride my wheelbarrow?
I do.
All right.
I want to touch it.
Get in.
No.
Yes.
No.
the wheelbarrow.
Don't kill me, Nick.
Step away from the wheelbarrow, sir.
Get away. Just kidding, Noah.
He's just kidding.
I might have shot you.
Clear the wheelbarrow, please.
I feel like he's the killer. We're all next to each other, and no, he's the gunman. See, if Nick was the killer, he'd already have killed me by now.
Yeah, we were alone.
That makes it 10 times. Kill him! But remember, you have to drop your gun if you don't get the right person.
Let's make decisions.
But it's still a risk. It's still a good risk you need to take.
Well, no, because then the bystanders can pick it up.
But if the gunman dies, then...
The bystander can pick it up and shoot you if you're the killer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so suck a dick. Shoot him. Take one for the team. I'm just joking. I don't know. Do whatever you feel. Okay.
All right.
Ah.
Fine, I'll get in the wheelbarrow. All right. Here, I want to give you a ride.
But how? I feel like this is don't kill me.
I feel like your mama. I won't kill you.
Oh, we're gonna do it like that, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Anthony. He's
Hi, how's it
taking
going?
me in a wheelbarrow to his closet. Johnny, let's be reasonable here. Don't kill the sister.
Where to, sir? You come here often?
Huh?
You come here often?
I do. Back away, Noah.
Noah, get away from our wheelbarrow.
He's got a gun pointed to you. You might want to go suck dick.
Yeah, you might. That might be a reasonable thing to do.
Do whatever you're gonna do. It's getting hot.
It is getting hot.
Well, you're pulling me in a wheelbarrow. You wanted to. Ah!
Over!
Yeah, I knew it. No, the lights are going off, right? Are the lights on?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going over here. Yeah. I'm not the gunman. I'm but an innocent bystander. Noah, get back. What? I'm going up here until this all plays out.
Okay, so here's how it's gonna work. He's gonna jump off. And
Alright.
whoever doesn't
Okay, I jump off, and if you don't catch me, that means you're the murderer. Actually, you just came up here to strip, so
Oh, in that case, I need the camera down.
Who's the donut?
I made it to the top. I'm king of the world.
Good job, Nick. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm gonna step away.
Yeah, and Anthony stood right next to you, and he hasn't killed you yet. And I'm a stripper, so you can trust me.
Okay. Barely fucking missed.
My strategy worked. I lived.
I would have killed you either way, though.
Yeah, true.
I'll just skip the die.
I got the same exact card too. Same number.
You're lying. I don't. Since you won't say that out loud, Nick. Such a liar. Such a liar. Anyone need a gun?
Does he have the gun again?
Are you serious?
Yeah. So you have the same
How
exact
fuck
card.
does this happen? And I think it's the same
We
card.
need more cards, like more pedestrian cards, so then we can all be pedestrians.
That won't pan out.
I'll pan you out.
He's like,
If you stop talking, then you're not gonna die. Don't worry. You hit me right here. You hit me in my heart.
Do you have a third nipple?
I do.
Can I touch it?
It's not my fault you're gay. I mean, it might be, but
Get off my stripper pole.
yeah, dude, you almost might not get
Come
up
on.
there this time.
All right.
I'm going up there this time.
Oh, the gunman just ran away. I'm scared.
we'll just get filled the moment. I was gonna back away.
Okay, Anthony, I'm gonna climb up behind you and I'm gonna trust you implicitly. Yes.
Alright. I don't know that nobody knows this. I'm gonna go like right here.
All right. If I don't die or Anthony doesn't die, then Noah's the murderer.
If I don't die or you don't die, well, he can't get us anyways if he is a murderer.
Your legs look good from this angle.
You want her?
Noah, you're not allowed.
I'm not on that though, am I?
No, but you're
No girls allowed.
my hands. They're even more
I'm not
white
a
than
girl.
the
I have a feeling
You're not
Nick's
15%
gonna
black
kill
anymore. I'm not
you. Or
gonna kill
Anthony's
you.
gonna kill him.
We're strippers in this together.
You might want to put your safety glasses on if he's a murderer. You're gonna get shot.
Yeah,
I'm not the murderer.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm pretty sure he is.
I'm
The
not.
gunman. You know what? I don't know. Maybe no one knows he's the gunman.
I think
I'm
Nick's
not
the murderer.
I'm not. I have the same exact card as last time.
I don't.
It was a 10.
I don't.
10 of clubs.
Wait a minute. He's the murderer.
No,
He said
I have
about
the 10 of
there's
clubs
only a
again.
10 of diamond, and that's the red card.
No,
Yeah.
there's a 10 of
And
clubs
you
too.
would- Because if you shot the first person, he wasn't the murderer. You'd have to drop your gun, so you can't shoot anyone else.
But then I could go and grab the gun off of him and shoot the murderer. No.
Kill him. I don't trust him though. Seriously, right now.
All right, me and Anthony, we're going in a dark room, and if we walk out alive, then shoot Noah.
Oh yeah, yeah. See, that's actually a good proposition. Don't let stay away from us.
Okay.
We gotta go in a dark room and have fun. Back away from me right now. Right now.
Okay.
We'll be back.
I have a feeling Noah's the murderer.
I do too. I don't have the same cards I did last time.
Okay. You the murderer?
No, I'm not.
Alright, well. I guess we can sword fight now.
I guess we can.
Or knife fight. I'm just kidding.
This thing. Ow! I have boots on.
Yeah. Shoot Noah!
We're still alive in here!
Here, let's get drunk.
Hi.
Okay, I have the gun. Everyone line up, kind of far apart from each other, but line up.
Hey, he's not joking.
Hey, I have the fucking gun. I can shoot it. Either of you, line up. No, we're gonna. All right, we're gonna think of this rationally.
We're having a group therapy.
Through trivia questions. Okay.
Hey, apart from each other. I don't trust any of you.
All right.
Trust me.
You. First question. Hey. Middle. What is your name? Okay, good. What is your favorite color?
Purple.
Alright, sounds pretty good. What is the square root of 4?
1.5.
Okay. Just checking. What is the terminal airspeed velocity of a swallow? Wrong.
Ah! I'm not the murderer.
Oh shit.
I knew it.
Get him! What?
Okay. Alright. So I'm the gunman. Everyone line up.
Wait, I'm the gunman.
I'm the gunman.
There can only be one.
Line up. Nick.
Wait, what?
Nick,
I'm the
line
gunman.
up.
Alright, fine.
Line up. I'm the gunman. What's the code for medic?
Penis!
You're good.
Oh, pedestrian!
Good, because I'm the actual gun guy.
What the fuck? How does this work? I just want to shoot him because he was like that, man.
I see. Makes sense to me. So you're off the hook, no?
I don't know why I did that.
Okay, well,
Well, I'm out of the game.
are you? No, you're just...
Oh, well, I'm sorry. I'll shoot you next time for free.
So you're the actual gunman now?
Oh.
Alright, well, you shot the wrong person, so you have to drop your gun.
There's no BBs in it.
Oh, you have to stop right there. There, take your gun.
Take his gun.
Run towards me and take my gun. And you missed. There. It's already loaded. There, gang, grab a gun.
Alright, I'm gonna go over here.
I'm gonna go reload.
I'm just building a house. Yeah. It's going to be beautiful. And no one's going to be allowed. It's going to be beautiful and no one's going to be allowed. Or I could do that too. I mean, I have the proper documentation and everything for my house.
Huh?
I have all the documentation for my house, so it probably will, but it's okay because it's my house and I trust it. Okay, I think it's not me.
I don't know if he's fucking with me.
Okay, we can trust each other because there is a murder going on. I'm sticking with the gun person. Don't leave me. Well, you know it's not me either. It's just a murder.
You actually make gunman.
Yeah.
Where's John yet?
Okay.
Really?
Shoot him. Shoot him.
Hey, at least keep a distance from me.
There was a murderer over there. It's clearly him.
You can't give up. I don't like when people do that. Is that it?
Wait, you can't just like.
We need like.
Oh my God, he's about
Splitting the sprinkler. This is how you catch a murderer. No, this is how you catch a murderer. You need a net with berries on it. I'll catch the murderer! I got him! I got him! I got him! No.